Creating a new event can be done in two ways. Click on your profile picture, then click on Events. Hit on Create New. Or you can click on the plus button. Then click on Event. Upload a cover image for your event. Add an event name. Then write your event's description. Select your start and end date and time. Choose your event visibility. Public events are visible for all the community and anyone can join. Add topics. Once you are done, hit Create. You can now send invites by names or using filters. By using filters, you can find agents based on their listings. Select agents and click on Send Invites. Then click on the calendar icon to see your events. By clicking on Attending, you will see the events you decided to join. From here you can get your events link, add it to your calendar or edit. When the event is about to begin, click Join Event. Confirm your event and click Join. You are all set. Thanks for watching.